In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize tasks with sections in Asana. By the end, you'll have a clean visual structure that makes it easier to track progress and keep your team aligned. Start by opening the Asana project you want to organize. Think of this project as the container for all related work. If it already has tasks, great. You'll simply be grouping them more clearly. If it's new, this setup will give you a solid foundation from day one. Next, make sure you're viewing the project in either list or board view. List view shows tasks in rows, and sections will appear as headers that break the list into meaningful chunks. Board view displays tasks as cards, and sections show up as columns across the top. Choose the view that matches how you and your team think. Lists are great for detail and prioritization, while boards excel at visualizing workflow stages. Now click Add Section. This is where you create the structure. In List View, you'll add a new header. In Board View, you'll add a new column. Give each section a clear, simple name. Common examples are To Do, In Progress, and Done. Short names reduce clutter and help everyone recognize the stage at a glance. If your work needs more nuance, you can still keep names concise, such as backlog, ready, review, or blocked. The key is consistency, so teammates understand where a task belongs without second guessing. After creating your sections, start moving tasks into the correct place. In List View, drag tasks under the right header. In Board View, drag cards into the right column. Keep related work together and move the most urgent or active tasks toward the top of a section so they're easy to find. You can select multiple tasks at once to speed things up, and as you move items, remember that assignees, due dates, and attachments stay with the task so you won't lose context. Finally, review the project to make sure the sections are organized clearly. Scan from top to bottom or left to right on boards and check that every task has a logical home. If a section feels overloaded, split it into two clearer buckets. If two sections mean the same thing, merge or rename them. Reorder sections so the flow matches how work really moves, with the first active stage on top or to the left and done at the end. When each task sits in the right section and the order makes sense, your project becomes easier to manage and progress becomes instantly visible. That's it. Simple steps, big payoff. Save your changes, share the project with your team, and enjoy a cleaner, faster way to work in Asana.